Affiliate marketing is a scalable way to earn online, and reaching $20 per month is achievable with the right strategies. To reach $20K a month, focus on promoting high-commission products. Look for programs that pay $500, $1,000, or more per sale. SaaS products offer high commissions. Programs like Shopify or ClickFunnels pay well for each sale or referral. Promote premium courses or financial products. Choosing the right niche is key. Consider niches where people are willing to spend money, such as finance, health, and technology. Create content that educates, entertains, and informs. The more engaging your content, the more likely your audience will click your affiliate links. Use SEO and paid ads effectively to drive targeted traffic who are looking for the products you're promoting. Collect emails to nurture relationships and promote affiliate products. Offer freebies to encourage signups. Join multiple affiliate networks to expand opportunities. Collaborate to get exclusive deals, higher commissions, and insider offers. A well-optimized sales funnel increases your affiliate commissions. Design landing pages with clear calls to action. By focusing on high-ticket products, creating value-driven content, driving targeted traffic, and optimizing conversions, you can scale your business.